Do I need to unhook the battery?
No.
It's not gonna let you keep me?
I mean, it might. But hey, I got insurance on the store.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since y'all seen me, but it's all good. I hope y'all didn't miss me too much. I am back, honey. Today, as you saw in the title of this video, I am going to be installing these 3D shadow lights. This is what the box looks like. 3D shadow lights. So this is going to project a Dodge Charger image on the ground when I open the door. It should be a very simple install. You literally just pop out the light that's currently there, pop this one in, and go on about your business. So, yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, so let's take a look at what's going to come inside of the box. This is the box itself. Shadow light, and it's got the little tag on there. Just a nice little box here. Open this joint up. Got you a nice sealed little baggie on the inside. This is the actual lights. As you can see, they come inside this resealable bag. So I open up the baggie and this is what's inside. This is what the light looks like outside of the car. So the two lights look very similar, but they are different. Obviously, one goes on the driver's side and one goes on the passenger side. You want to make sure that when you install it, the display is facing towards you when you open the door. If you put the wrong light on the wrong side, for example, if you put the driver's side light on the passenger side or vice versa, the words is going to be shining the wrong way. And I'm also going to be using this little doohickey here. This is just going to be used to pop the light off, or the housing, the little plastic cover, so that I can get access to the bulb. So, let me see if I can set y'all up so y'all can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I am on the passenger side door. This is the light that we're going to be replacing.
You got it popped out?
I do now. Alright, so here you can see I just used the little orange tool here to pop this out. So this is how it goes, you guys. I hope y'all can see that. This is the light that I'm putting in. So I'm going to unhook this little wire connector here, and then I'm going to hook it into here. So let me look at this one to make sure that there's no way that I could possibly be putting the wrong one in. Lies. I definitely could very well be putting the wrong one in. So I guess we're just gonna have to try it and see, y'all, because there's no marking on this thing at all saying which side it goes on. Alright guys, so you want to be careful on the back of the light that's currently in there. This little part right here is hot. So it'll burn you, so be careful. I don't know if y'all can see this. I'm gonna use this as a little pointer. Right here there's a little groove right here. There's a white part that clips. You want to press this part in, and that is how you will disconnect it from this connector. So I'm going to press this in with my thumbnail. I'm going to try to anyway. And I'm just going to pull it out. No. Yeah. Just pull it out. So you press that in and you just pull it out. Yeah, definitely be careful on that little part, because that's pretty hot. So now that I got the OG out, I'm just going to, and it connects the exact same way. So I'm just going to connect it, and it clips in there. Once you get it connected, as you can see, it is shining a light. So I'm not going to put it all the way back in now. I'm just going to get like a piece of paper or something, or this box, to make sure that I got this thing facing the right direction. So, yep, I put the wrong one in. Of course, you guys, of course, I put the wrong one in. So, just need to put this one in. So I hope y'all can see how I'm doing this. It literally just clips right in there. You push it in until you hear the click. That's not right. All right, y'all. So I had to use this here screwdriver. If you get this product, then you'll be able to see it. But inside here, there are 2 gold prongs. Those are like the electrical connectors that connect to the car. They were a little crooked, so I had to, or they were like bent. So I had to use this here flathead screwdriver to kind of like straighten out those prongs. After I did that, it took me a few tries. And get out of here. Get. So it took me a couple of tries, but I was able to finally get the light to come on. So once you push it in, you make sure that, you know, it's clipped in there good. And at this point now, we can just stick it back in place. So I'm just going to, boom, pop it back in place. And the light went off, but that's because the lights on the car went off. So let me just open that, close that. So now you can see that the light is shining. So boom. I know it's still kind of light outside, so you really can't see it that great. I'll come out here and get some more footage when it gets dark. But that is the light. I only put this on the 2 front doors. I feel like it'll be overkill to put it on the back door. It says Dodge Charger, and it has the red hash marks, and I'm super excited. So now that it is dark outside, let's take a look at the actual lights. Ooh. Yeah. It's like a cute little, subtle little, just something that might catch your eye. You might miss it, you might not. And then also, in terms of brightness, you can see that it's like, you can see it, but it's not quite as bright as the other LED lights that we have in the rest of the car. So you can kind of see the difference, but it's still cool, you know, just a little something, you know, a little something. And if you don't have a charger, that is okay. You are in luck, because these lights are also made for other makes and models as well. So for example, Ali has the Chrysler lights on his car. All right, y'all, so that is the simple, quick, and easy install of those lights. I certainly hope that you enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from us, make sure that you click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. And of course, if y'all like those lights, you know we're going to post a link in the description, so make sure y'all check them out. And if you don't have a Dodge, you know, I already showed y'all, they got the Chrysler ones and whatever else they might have. Like, I know for the Chargers or for Dodge vehicles in general, they had a whole bunch of different images that you could choose from. This is just the one that we chose. But yeah, let us know in the comments what y'all think about these lights. You like them, you don't like them. Make sure y'all check out our last video about the pedal commanders too. Y'all know I'm broken hearted, but we safe and we here. So definitely glad, thankful, and blessed for that. Yeah, y'all, we on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We almost there. So thank y'all so much for watching. As always, thank you for your support. I hope y'all have a wonderful night. And yes, I'm leaving Jason's Deli, going home with the food, because we hungry. All right, y'all have a good night. Skirt, skirt.